Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep and I am from IELTS Tutorials OGs group. I have done my masters from the UK and I have been teaching IELTS for 7 years, and I have assisted students from very basic skills to advanced skills, and they have achieved their desired score. I can teach you the skill to be deep listener, keen reader, concise writer and an engaging speaker. We can cater to specific needs of students, and we assist them on daily basis. We give them regular evaluations. We assist them not only in the class but afterwards as well. We work with students, we care for them. We are not only giving live evaluations, we'll be assisting students later as well. Working together will be imparting results. We have specialists who go through these latest materials which are specific, which are unique, and that's how we develop our latest curriculum. Short-term objective is that we are going to assist each and every student to achieve their desired band score, and for the long term would be just making sure that they settle down well in the English-speaking country as well. It's been wonderful. I thoroughly enjoyed each and every day. We have this success story on daily basis, and I look forward to each and every day